Are you looking for a van but your budget won't quite stretch to a new one? Well, great news, because look what I've got behind me. Believe it or not, this is the first ever #1 Trouvaille we built just after COVID, so it's a piece of Orange campers history, if nothing else. So it's worth its money there. But you've got yourself a 5 metre, under 5 metre, 4.97 short wheelbase pop top camper van. Now this one's on a 2019, it's on a Peugeot Boxer, which is, like I say, the first van we built after COVID. So you'll be able to tell instantly it's one of ours. Now, the vans have moved on a bit, so there's a little few different changes, what they have made nowadays, but it's still an amazing van, and it's just true testament that our vans really do last, because this customer has really used it, they've loved it, they've enjoyed it, they've had so many nights away, and now they're going to upgrade to a medium wheelbase, one of the new option 2 medium wheelbases. So this is available to buy. So let's have a look round it. In silver, it's in aluminium silver, it's a metallic paint. It's got a tow bar as well. On this side you've got a electric step, Fiamma wind out awning as well. So already it's loaded up to all the goodies on there. Really is ready to use. You could literally drive this away and be off this summer. How good is that? You've got reversing camera at the back, all double glazed windows, hookup cable here, things like that. And now we'll make sure it's fit for use, and we'll give it a good for a habitation check, so it'll be really ready for you. So ready to go, like I say. Let's have a look inside. Well, as Jess stays there, I'll show you the pop top. So I'll pop the pop top up, give it a little push. There's a plastic screen on the front, like a plastic window should I say, and then all the others are mesh windows. Now there's a ladder to get up here as well, because as you know, the pop top vans, they have really good head clearance inside. So if you compare this to a T5 or a T6, the head clearance is incredible. Look, you don't have to rush to push a roof up. You can virtually stand up here, depending on how tall you are. You can virtually stand up here, even when you're just for a quick stop. You don't want to rush and put the roof up. Look at that. I'm 5'10", and I'm only just bent over a little bit. Everything's at the right height as well. You've got a ladder here to get yourself up, like I say. Nice and easy. Nice big double bed up there. That'll take 2 adults, no problem. So, and then this pushes up out the way. Let me push the ladder up there first so it's out the way. We normally just put the ladder up there. And then you've got somewhere to store the ladder. There we go. So that pushes up out the way. And then you've got full head height clearance inside the van. Now this one, look at this. This material is so hard wearing, and it's a really good hard wearing fabric. You can wipe it down with warm water, cleans really well. And this is a Titan bed, this one. Really big, 130 centimetres wide. Compare that to a VW, 112 centimetres. You've literally got that much extra on your seat. It really is impressive. So if you want a nice big wide double bed, this is perfect. So we've got the overcab locker as always. That fits a full-size dinner plate in there. Lots and lots of utensils go in there, so that's good amount of storage. You've got a 2-ring hob and a sink on gas. Cutlery drawer, nice big cutlery drawer there. 50 litre Dometic fridge. And a nice big food cupboard. Oh, drawers, this one, yeah. So now these are cupboards, but this one's a drawer, so you've got 2 big drawers there. How useful is that? So that really is useful. Power sockets everywhere, little drop-in cupboards. All your gas valves are in here as well. And all your controls are here. You've got battery, heating on this one, gas Propex heating as well. Really nice unit, lots of USBs. Reading lights for when you're in bed and so on. There's one at the back, one on this side, one at the back as well. And all cupboards underneath, so you've got your porta potty stored under there. So fire extinguishers on this side, and both chairs spin round as well. So on the van itself, it's got sat nav, cruise control, aircon, DAB radio. What else has it got? Lots of bits and bobs, full electric windows and things. It really is a nice van. Very clean, very tidy. Reverse cameras on there, like I said. And look at the space. You've got so much space. And this bed, do you want me to show you how to, see if I can remember how to make the bed? Let's have a quick look. It's been a while since I've used this bed, but you just pull the headrests off, like so. Like I say, it makes a huge bed, it really does. I think on this one, you slide this one forward. That's it, yep, 2 hands. Pull that. I may not have got it in place. Let me have a look. Is it?
You've lost your technique.
I have lost my technique. Oh, that's it. Oh, sorry, I wasn't pulling it. There's a bracket you squeeze and it pulls down and it didn't want to come down. So you drop that down literally like that. And there's a strap to help you get it back up. So when you want to get it back up, you just pull that up and it goes back up. There is a technique to doing it. We don't use this bed anymore, so I'm a bit rusty on this bed. And there is a little bracket down here, and that drops the back down. So literally, you can sit up in bed. Oh, you can look at that for a big bed. Absolutely huge bed. Really is big, that bed. And then, do you push it back in, Gary? Gary's here with me now. Is it just pull that?
Pull that up first.
Right up. Oh, there we go. There is a technique to doing it, very easy. Push it with your knee and pull that strap up at the same time. Headrest go back in and your bed's made. That's how simple it really is. So like I said, we haven't used this bed for a while. We're on the rib beds now, but it is an amazing bed, really good quality. And you can see, very comfortable as well, really nice and flat. Wardrobe space as well, so you've got lots and lots of cupboard space. Cupboards everywhere. Big cupboards as well. Let me try and go around the back, electric step. And let's have a look at the back doors. Lovely big boot space in these, I remember. That just lifts up. So your bed is there, so you can push that up out of the way. That locks in place, holds the bed up. There is a infill board for the pop top. So if you want to put that in when you're in bed, it gives you the entire roof space, so you can't drop out, things like that. Yet you can still get fresh air going up there and so on. Like I say, lots and lots of big boot space in this one. Little access at the back, so you've got storage everywhere. That's the beauty of these little vans. Plug sockets here as well. All your fuse board and everything is down here. And then big wardrobe at the back, really nice and big. Lots and lots of storage space. And then your water tub is down there because there's no tanks on this one. What it does have is these bottles, and there is 2 extra spare bottles with it, so you can carry as much spare water as you wish. You just pull that out and put that on. There is the option to have some tanks put underneath if you want to. And all the blinds are double glazed, or the windows should I say, and they've got blinds built in, so you've got a fly in there. Every window opens as well, so they all open, they're all double glazed, and it gives you lots and lots of fresh air. There's your winding handle for your awning. Now, all this on a 19 reg mileage, 47,000 miles from new, and from one owner. Really is looked after. Oh, second owner, because obviously we had it as a demonstrator. But your gas tank as well. So it's still got your undersun gas tank. You've got your barbecue point there. You just plug in any gas barbecue, and that's how you breathe full. And there's a gauge on the inside, so you know exactly how much gas you've got. So very economical when you fill into a gas, and it lasts us for so long. It really is usable, and we know it's full history because we built it. And all this for just under £35,000, £34,999, gets you on the road in a Trouvaille, even with a bit of history as well, because it says on the roof bed over there 001. So this was the very first van we built, and it's still going strong, and it will fit into somebody else's home and give many, many years of enjoyment. So if you're interested in this, just drop us an email, come and see us, or get in touch and you can come and view.